This is a moment where we come together to honor the extraordinary men and women whose service illuminates the very best of Filipino excellence.
Our modern-day heroes who have excelled in performing their duties really deserve to be recognized and honored here this afternoon.
Tunay na kahanga-hanga na nakapag-ukit kayo ng karangalan, hindi lamang para sa inyong mga sarili, ngunit higit sa lahat para sa PNP.
Nandito po kami, again, para paalalahanan kayo ay isang mahalagang component dito sa ating society.